Welcome at Mekamex India. We are one of the leading manufacturers of gyrosecond machine in India, serving major paint companies in India for more than 2 decades, having 3 manufacturing units at Howrah. Our manufacturing unit has got integrated facilities of fabrication, assembling, painting, and finally quality checking before dispatch. Machine body fabrication done with accuracy to avoid any mismatch in panel body. Adequate care taken on grinding of welded surface and corners of the sharp edges. After fabrication, the machine body is taken to paint shop. One of the key features of our in-house powder coating system is 7-tank process of pre-treatment. This gives improved quality and longevity of the painted surface. Machine body placed into the powder coating booth. In this process, a spray gun applies an electrostatic charge to the powder particles, attracting them to the metal body. Then machine bodies are placed in a curing oven, wherein the coating chemically reacts to the heat, resulting in high cross-link density. It is time for assembling various components or parts, starting from motor, electrical fittings, fixed pulley, bull pulley, handle bracket assembly. Trial run and testing done for checking and before packing. Wooden packaging done to avoid any transit damage. Now the machine is ready for dispatch. We have an installed capacity of manufacturing 50 machines per day for different clients. We also supply customized machine as per need. Mekamex India, ready to deliver perfect color match for you. We are confident our line of mixing solution will be a great help in your paint business. Please contact us if you have any question. Call 7605-007170 or visit us online at www.mekamexindia.in. Write to us at info@mekamexindia.in. Thank you for choosing Mekamex.